Today here we have Saravanan Jeyaraj sir, Senior Manager, Operational Excellence, Collins Aerospace, Bangalore. Hello sir.
Good morning.
With all your experience, what you'd like to say to this younger generation and what's your opinion about this drone challenge, sir?
Okay, so first of all, I thank Karpaga Vinayaga Engineering College, Engineering Technology College, and then SAE India Southern Section for giving me this opportunity to be part of this exciting event. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this because we are able to interact with the senior leaders who had been part of this aerospace and defense technology earlier, connecting with the people who are developing or developing themselves and learning about the aerospace technology now. Right? It brings together the brightest minds and the creative problem solvers together to work on the cutting edge technology, the cutting edge drone technology. Right? So this gives an enormous opportunity for them to learn about the technology and try to see how things can be made in India. Right? So that's going to be the future for us. If we see the people who are developing and see the enthusiasm by which they are developing and then like trying to fly them as a practical one, that says that what are they learning about it and how are they molding themselves together in terms of the latest technology. And the learning that they're going to get, it's going to be shaping their future as well as shaping the complete India as such, I would say.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.